Do you want to save a copy of your N8N workflow for backup, sharing, or moving it into the other workspace? Well, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how. Let's get started. First, log in your N8N and open the workflow. Once you're signed in, you will find yourself at the home page of N8N. Click an existing workflow that you wish to download. There you will see an icon represented by 3 dots, commonly known as the More option menu. Go ahead and click on that icon. From this menu, select the download option. This is the step where your workflow will begin its journey. Once the download is finished, you should be able to see the newly downloaded file on your computer. It's always a good idea to double check that the file has been successfully downloaded and is accessible. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded an N8N workflow. Keep automating, keep learning, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.